Menteri rang ba kejelau Konrad kongkal sangmau lapan benar ba ke Sorkar jela kan pynbeit no ya ke Jingkyntur ke jaka Sorkar jaka tanat GAD Tura Westgaro Hills hagaba an ai daga Lease ne ban ai wai bun snem ya ke besong wai ba ke jing shim ya ke nekerai kalong ban pynbeit no ya ke jing sa bean kabladon lai pawa do san pau snem kaje ko ni ki mokot duma ba ke jing sa mi ki notice ban kendang ya ke basa bean kabalapun mi ya ki babon ki jing e bat ka bakta ru ya ke shong sok chong san kumta da kabaya lang da kajo karukom trikam kaba kila pentrikam haguliam nagar hagilai snam kibalale kumta ka kanun menteri kila menjor ke jing terwa jang GAD bane pynbeit no igni jaka kibala syakam turput bat nan ai no da Lease ne ke jing ai wai bon snam ki pat ba ki basa ka jaka uli to ba kishnong kila menjor ke baladep banle ya ke jing sorjamin ban penmi ya ka digital map ka jing le sorjamin lang bagi drone ka jing sngap ki jing sngo jing pat ba Konrad kongkal sang mau la penting kena bagi Sorkar kanam pun bor kini kini gisnong ki bampat menjur bat ki badan ni ka jing per jing bot bar ke Sorkar bat ka tanat revenue.
As you are aware, there are many localities where there are government offices, there are government land which have been encroached by individuals and public at large in the past 30, 40, 50 years. And in many cases, there have been a lot of court cases going on, and at different times there have been eviction notices being given, which has caused a lot of inconvenience and at times law and order situation. And hence, in line with the same policy which we adopted for William Nagar about 2 to 3 years back, the cabinet today has approved the proposal from GAD to go for settlement of these encroached land. So this will be leased out in a long-term lease to the people who are staying in that land. The land will be revenue land, but as I said, lease pata, long-term lease will be given to these individuals. There are criteria that will be followed, and based on those criteria, now as I said, it will be regularized in one way. Settlement will be done so that in the future there is no more complication and no more situations that the government or the public has to face. As I said, these people have been in that land for a long time, and the only practical way for us to move forward in this was to go for the settlement so that we can actually see these kind of long problems being settled once and for all.